Guys, what's up? So in this video, I'm going to show you this amazing airdrop that is trending all over Twitter right now. It's called the Pink. So it's similar to Grass and NotPay. So basically, you are selling your unused bandwidth and internet, definitely. So just like every other the Pink airdrop out there. So the first step is for you to register. The second step will be for you to download the extension on your Google browser. And the third step is for you to connect everything together, which I'll be showing you in this video. I'll be showing you a step-by-step process on how to do it on this video. And also I'll show you how to do it on both desktop and your mobile phone. So make sure you watch to the end. So if you want to learn how to do it on your mobile phone. So like I said before, as you can see right here, share computing power and earn reward. So you're sharing your unused bandwidth and unused data, and you're making money for it. So they are rewarding you with a token. Yeah, so as you can see right here, sign up, download Chrome and earn the Pink. So the name of that token is called the Pink. Please make sure you know that this airdrop right here, as you can see, it only has 100,000 users, meaning you are still early to this airdrop. So this makes you an early bird, and when you are an early bird to an airdrop, you get higher perks and advantage and more reward for being an early bird on the airdrop. And as you can see, also they have a 4.8 rating, which is pretty amazing. And if you want to get to know more about them, you can basically just go to their Twitter handle right here. You can read more about them to to get to understand them better and everything. But like I said, they're all similar to Grass and NotPay and every other the Pink airdrop out there. So as you can see here, they have over 191,000 followers on Twitter. So straight ahead up, we are going to go to this page right here. Now this page right here will be in the description below, so make sure you use the link. And when you do, you are going to get up to 1,000 to 500 reward points for using the link below. Thank you very much. So what you want to do right here on this page right here, to sign up, we want to input our email right here. We want to input our password, and we also want to confirm our password by putting it right here and click on register. So I'll walk you through the step right here, because this is like another account I'll be opening just to walk you through, guys, on how it works. So I'll click on this create with Google, which is much more faster. So I will use this account. But if you don't have a Google account, you can just basically use your email itself. It all works. But make sure you're using the link in the description below to get the reward and to activate your account properly. So as you can see right here, welcome to the Pink. Your name. So I'm putting my name here as Jinx. Sorry, let's do it like this. Jinx. My username. So that is it. Describe. So what to describe you best? We'll come here and say AI startup. Yeah, you can use anything you want. It's not compulsory. You also want to come here and say yeah. So you want to add your PC to their ecosystem. Yeah, click on it. So this is like your access code. So here they are telling you that access code require join our private beta and start earning. So we need to provide an access code right here. So as you can see right here, the access code is very important. So I will be leaving it in the description below. So make sure you're using the access code. I'll be leaving in the description below. If not, you are not going to be able to sign up or to join the platform. So we want to click on enter right here. As you can see, we are in. So like I said, the access code will be in the description below. So make sure you make use of it. Not, they won't allow you to register or to join the platform. Now, the next thing for us to do is to download the extension. So you want to click on this right here, definitely. And I'll also be leaving the link to the extension below. So let's just go here and we want to click on there, here, and let's just wait for it to come up. It's downloading already. As you can see, it is done downloading. So we need to look for it right here so that we can pin it. This is it right here. Let's pin it. Let's go back right here and open it. So this is it. So we have already registered. Yeah, so we don't need to register anymore. We just need to sign in. Remember, we have registered already. We don't need to register. We just need to sign in. Now let's do the same thing, logging in with our Google email. It's taking us through the same pattern. which I don't know why they're doing this. Yeah, so as you can see right here, we have logged in again. Let's see. Yeah, now we need to connect. Yeah, so all you need to do right now is to click on connect now. Click on connect now. As you can see, everything is connected, as you can see right here. So if you take notice of this, you see that if I do disconnect, it also disconnect right here. And when I open it back again and I click on connect, it's connected already. As you can see, it is connected already to your PC, and we have our network score of 81. So basically what you're doing is that you're just allowing it to run like that. There is nothing like coming every 24 hours to claim any points. There is no points to claim. Just leave it like this and it's mining for you. You understand? Just leave it like this and it's mining. You don't need to come back to claim a point every 2 hours or 24 hours. All you need to make sure is to make sure that your system or your phone or your laptop is connected to the internet, and you are good to go. So the next step right here is for us to connect our wallet. As you can see right here, it says connect wallet. So we want to choose on the wallet to connect with. You can choose any of this, but I will be using this MetaMask right here. I will select any of my MetaMask. Let me use this one. Click on connect. So as you can see, I was successfully connected my account. So this is a new account I just created for the purpose of this video basically. So what next? Let's go through this app section. So this is basically the extension we downloaded already, which we have downloaded it. So I think another thing is coming right here, and this should be the software. So this software will be mining faster than the extension itself. As you can see right here, the software will be mining up to 2.5% faster, while the extension is only mining 1.0% faster. So the software will be coming soon, just like Grass. You know the Grass software? Yeah, similar to Grass. Like where's the Grass? I think I don't have Grass right here. I would have shown you guys, but you understand what I'm saying, yeah? So the next thing right here is to come to this section which says referral program. So now they said to activate your referral program and start earning more, simply let the extension run for 30 hours. You understand? So we need to allow the extension run for 30 hours. So right now, as it is, when you sign in newly, you cannot generate a referral link. So what I will advise you is that when you sign up to this platform, make sure you wait up to 30 hours before you will get a link to share to your friends. Now that link will also contain the unique code ID that you can give to them so that they can join the platform. As you can see right here, they're saying 30 hours for you to be able to generate your referral link and also your unique ID that you can share with your friends. So you will need to wait for that 30 hours before you start sharing it. So immediately you see this video, make sure you're signing in, joining the platform. I will provide you guys my referral link and my ID so that you can use to log in, because without my unique ID, you cannot log in the platform. So you need an invite with that ID to log in. So yeah, that is how it is. So you need to wait for 30 hours before you start sharing referral or giving people your ID. So right here is the reward center. So here they're talking about reward claims, visit website. Let's see if you're eligible. So the email verification is coming soon. So as you can see, everything about this platform is very, very new. As you can see, their email verification is coming soon. So a lot of things is coming soon on this platform. So that's why it is a right time for you to join, because it is new and you have a lot of chance to gather a lot of points because it is not that popular and there's a lot of money to be made from this airdrop. And also this section right here talking about the providers here. So basically, so this will be how many system or laptops or computer you'll be able to add to the system, you know, to make it more faster, like to mine more. So this you might be getting like 2 providers, 3 providers, unlimited providers, meaning you can log in different laptops or different system with one account, and it helps your whole ecosystem to mine faster and to get more points. So this is what it is for here. This right here when they say providers, yeah. So the most important thing right here is for you to just wait for 30 hours for you to get your code so that you can share with your friends, as you can see right here. And that your unique code will be the reason they will be joining, because without your code they won't be joining. So I will leave my code in the description below so that you will not be searching for the internet for a unique code. So that is it. So as you can see, my account is connected right now. And that is all for this video. So the last thing I need to do right here is to tell you guys on how to sign up on your mobile phone. So what you want to do, pay close attention. First off, you want to download Kiwi browser or Missy browser or Brave browser. Now, why you need those browsers are because those are Web3 based browsers. Yeah, so when you download those browsers, you want to log in and you want to go to the Google Chrome extension section, and you want to search for the ping. This is what you want to search for on your mobile on Google Chrome. On any of the browsers you choose to download, you want to search for this, and you definitely just search for the ping, and you click on add to Chrome. And just the same way we did this whole thing right here on desktop, you want to do it, and you want to download it, sign up, and it's the same way. I might leave a video on the screen on how to do it on your mobile. I hope I do, so that I don't forget, but I will try as much as possible to show you a video on how to do it on mobile on the screen right now as this video is playing. Definitely, I will try my best to do so. So yeah, so that is it for now, and that is everything you need to know about this amazing airdrop. Like you can see, it only has 100,000 users, and there was something I saw right here. That got my attention. So as you can see, okay, here they said total users. Yeah, total users are 787 users, while active users, people that are active right now, are just 140,000 people all over the world. So it's still relatively new. This airdrop is still new. Unlike airdrops like Grass and NotPay, they have more than 3 million users, 5 million users on those platforms. So this airdrop is very, very new. So make sure you're joining it, make sure you're mining, and make sure you're making money with it. So until I see you in my next video, take care of yourself and God bless. And don't forget to use my link below and my unique referral ID. Thank you for watching. Check the description below for other airdrops that I might be talking about also. Check the description below for other amazing pink airdrop. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching, and happy Easter to you all. Bella ciao.